so they see us. And to put your arms in the air and wave at him as he comes over for his final passover.